Day 12. We are almost done with the boot camp. This is one of my favorite also, the market maker model. There are two versions of the market maker model, and there is a buy market maker model and there is a sell market maker model. It's called MMXM. MMBM is market maker buy model. MMSM is market maker sell model, if you've seen it on any other platform before. So let's go over the market maker buy model first. So market maker buy model is when you understand that liquidities are taken out. Okay, the market moves four ways, right? Seek liquidity, equilibrium, fill imbalance, and auction. Okay, so let's take for example this right here. A market maker buy model could look like this, where we have accumulation here and we are in a downtrend and we're creating engineered liquidity, buy side liquidity, right? Some of them can be taken out to create more liquidity. There could be equal highs. They're untapped. They're never taken because they're left there to be taken in the future. Now, we have this downtrend. We come in and we tap a higher time frame fair value gap, higher time frame liquidity, some sort of powerful confluence, okay? There could be an SMT right here, but we see here price taps in, we take out liquidity, we have an SMT some sort, and we get our change in state of delivery, and now we are respecting bullish confluences like this for value gap. We come up, we get a breakup structure, we get a liquidity sweep, price comes down a little bit, we tap into a breaker block, and we come back up. When we are starting to respect all of these bullish confluences, we are most likely going to look to see price finish the model by taking out the highest of the highs. Okay, it kind of looks like a bull. Okay, a market maker buy model may look like a bull like this, or a market maker sell model where we have accumulation here. We're generating all of these sell side liquidities. We have a buy side sweep. It taps into a higher time frame, let's say order block this time. Price comes down, we get a change in state of delivery. It takes out all of these sell side liquidity, and we also have an SMT for higher confluence. We are most likely going to be able to see price take out the lowest of the low where consolidation was happening. For a market maker sell model, it more looks like a little hat or umbrella, you could say, like this. Okay, these are two models. All right, now it doesn't always look as perfect as this, so let's take an example of, let's say, today. Okay, today was a great example of the market maker sell model. Okay, right here we have all of these engineered liquidity right here. We can see we're kind of making like this hat shape, right? You see here all of these liquidities. Let's say price was at here. We see all of these generated liquidity that's never been taken. So we're generating all of these engineered liquidity that could be taken in the future. Let's play it a little further on, let's say, the... Okay, let's just play it forward. Okay, so we see here, we're playing, and we see here, price takes out liquidity right here, right? Price takes out liquidity. This is a highest of the highs, which means a lot of liquidity is resting here. We get our sweep, we get our higher time frame change in state of delivery around here, and we're starting to respect bullish bearish confluences, right? So now when we are experiencing bearish confluences, we are going to be looking for sells. What are our targets? All of these engineered sell side liquidity. All of these you can expect to see price take all the way here. Sure, price can come back a little, maybe take out this high again, but our main objective is most likely going to be this low. because this is the start of the creation of the market maker sell model. So as you can see, all of these engineered liquidity gets absolutely ran through. You see price may come up, take out liquidity up here to have more movement to fall lower, okay? This is an example of a market maker buy model. Let's take a look at example of a market maker sell. Let's take a look at a market maker buy model. We have a high right here, and we get this low right here where it takes out these liquidities before in this sell model, which hasn't been completed yet. As well as you can see, price is fractal, so this could also be a higher time frame market maker sell model, right? Looking to take this. So again, price is fractal. It's time within time within time. But let's take a look at this buy model right here. Again, we have this high right here, and we have this low that came, swept all these engineered liquidity, and we are starting to get a change in state of delivery respecting bullish movement, okay? Once we start experiencing these bullish movements, we can expect to see, and hopefully all of these engineered liquidities that have never been taken to be taken in the future. As you can see here, price comes up, takes out all of this liquidity, and once an objective of a market maker buy model or market maker sell model is completed, you can expect to see consolidation as the market prepares for the next model. Okay, and again, there is models within models within models within models within models. Okay, let's do another example. Let's go on, let's say, like a 15-minute time frame. Okay, we are on the 15-minute time frame, and we can use this. So right here, we have this high, and we have this low that took out all of these liquidity here, as well as tapping into a higher time frame PD array, like this, okay? Now, we get our change in state of delivery right about here. What you guys could have done is understood that now we are switching into a buyer maker buy model instead of a market maker sell model that's been completed. This right here was a market maker sell model that was completed. We have consolidation, and this led into the market maker buy model. So now, if you had noticed that, you could have taken off a long off this fair value gap if all confluences in your strategy align, and you could have targeted all of these engineered buy side liquidity until your objective was hit, as you can see right here. And this is how you can get these high probability, high win rate trades, okay? As you can see here, we respect bullish confluences, sure, in between a little bit, there are bearish that are always, it's an auction market, and buyers and sellers do have to compete with each other. But we see in the end, our objective gets hit, and then we consolidate a little bit for the rest to prepare for the next model. It's pretty simple. All you really have to do is just go on the chart and look at it yourself. Find these market maker buy models. Find these market maker sell models. They happen on the weekly, the 1 minute, the 15-minute, the 1 second. Let's take, for example, this one right here. This one right here was our market maker sell model. And then now we have a market maker buy model, okay? Takes out liquidity. We get a change in state of delivery right at this high. And now we are in a bullish trend, taking out the objective, which is right here, that has never been taken. That is it for this video. We are very close to being done with this bootcamp. I hope you guys are learning a lot, taking notes, journaling, practicing, doing the homeworks I've been telling you. In this video, your homework is to find 3 market maker buy models, 3 market maker sell models, and find if you can see an entry where the change in state of delivery happens and we start forming and going towards the objective. See you in the next video.